Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to share an Aldi shop with me and haul with you. I actually was out of town last week for work and I haven't gotten groceries yet, and I've been back in town for like over a week now, so it's probably time for me to stock up on some groceries. It is also Wednesday, so today is the day that the Aldi ad comes out, so I'm excited to see what they have in terms of like seasonal items. I know that every year Aldi also comes out with an advent, or I shouldn't say with a advent calendar. They have like several advent calendars, and I'm not sure if those are out yet, but we're gonna take a look in the store. We're gonna stock up on some produce, meats, cheese, just food that we need for the week, and I may do a bit of Thanksgiving shopping as well, so let's go in. Since I'm having people over for Thanksgiving this week, I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab some flowers. Some of them are looking a little ragged, but I'll try to pick the good ones. Gotta get some strawberries for my kids. We haven't had any in a while. They are $3.29 a pound here at Aldi, which I know is high, but it's actually cheaper than a lot of other grocery stores. And these look really cool. It's like a grape trifecta. I might actually grab some of these because I think I'm gonna do a charcuterie board for Thanksgiving, and this would be pretty with all the different colors. So I'm pretty sure this bread is a dupe for the Sara Lee Artisanal bread. Let me know if you guys have tried this. I don't believe I have before, but it looks really good. So oh my god. So I'm pretty sure these are a dupe for the Tillamook beef stick, the Tillamook zero sugar one. So I think I'm gonna get these for Adam to try. Normally Aldi has like the entertaining crackers, which looks like they're supposed to be right here, but they're gone. But I do want to do like some cheese and cracker things for Thanksgiving. I know by the time you guys are watching this, Thanksgiving's over, but I will be posting my Thanksgiving, you know, grocery haul cook with me on the first day of Vlogmas. So stay tuned for that, but I'm gonna go ahead and grab these. I see a lot of people talking about like the take and bake pizzas at Aldi, and I don't know that I've really tried them all that much, but they have these flatbread. This one's pepperoni. This one is Southwest style. I don't know, I feel like these would be a good thing, especially during the holidays when you're like tired of cooking and your kids just want something to eat. Okay, this is interesting. Green bean casserole pizza. I don't know about that, man. They also have a kale and ricotta cauliflower crust pizza. Interesting. So I got this at Aldi a while ago. It's this Vermont Creamery goat cheese dip. I can't speak. It's really, really good. I would highly recommend this. So this is new. Bone broth, rosemary, lemon, Thai basil, and turmeric. That looks very interesting. Here they've got a bunch of kitchen gadgets, avocado storage. This actually looks kind of cool. I probably wouldn't buy it, but it dices the avocado. We've got a lemon or a citrus squeezer. These are really good for making egg bites in the Instant Pot if you don't have one of those. They also have pantry storage sets here and some dish brushes. This is really cute, actually. It's a like a holiday countdown sign, but it lights up. I can't figure out how much it is. There's no price tag on it. These are really cute for like, well, you could either use them for Christmas cookies or Thanksgiving leftovers even. They've got a couple different designs. Only $1.95 for 3 of these plastic containers. These are some different flavors of coffee, like K-Cups they have here at Aldi. There's mint, white chocolate, gingerbread. These are interesting. Aldi has this bougie organic heavy whipping cream. I might get some of that because I do need this for a recipe. Look at that. We got the cheese advent calendar, and there's 2 left. One for me and one for my sister. All right, one last thing before we go. They do have some pretty cute wrapping paper here. I don't think I need any, but this is super cute. Look at these llamas with the rainbows, red trucks. Check out the Aldi for your wrapping paper. All right, so I'm back from the store, but I'm gonna share it with you guys what I got. However, before I do that, I'm gonna share with you the Chewy order that I got yesterday. One thing that I never buy at the store is dog food, and thank you to Solid Gold Pet for sponsoring today's video. You guys know I've been working with them for quite some time. They are actually America's first holistic pet food company, founded in 1974. They are female founded, and we have been feeding Murphy this dog food for I don't know how long it's been, probably almost a year now. And I love getting it on auto delivery from Chewy. So this just came last night. I ordered 2 bags of the Fit and Fabulous weight control. This is the whole grain, potato free, and it helps with gut health. And then I also order the bone broth stew. I find the best place to get it is at chewy.com. You guys can find it on Amazon as well. I'll have a link in the description box below for both places. But what I do is I combine the dry food with one of these for him twice a day, and he loves it. I just mix it up with the dry food and give it to him. Just so you guys are aware, Solid Gold does have both dog and cat food. They have wet food, dry food, supplements, all kinds of things. So check out the link in the description box below. You can go to solidgoldpet.com/Jen to save 30% on select Solid Gold Pet products, or you can also get them delivered from Chewy, which I really like because I can just set it on auto delivery. Murphy is ready to eat. Sit. Go. Good boy. All right, so here's everything that I got from Aldi. I did go ahead and split this up into basically just kind of a regular grocery haul, and then you guys will be seeing the rest of the things that I got in my Thanksgiving grocery haul, which will be day 1 of Vlogmas. I spent about $350, but I did get quite a few things. So I did go ahead and grab some flowers, although after I got them, I'm wishing that maybe I would have chosen differently or maybe not have gotten them. These are looking a little worse for the wear, but I will kind of try to revive them in some water, but I thought that would be good to have for Thanksgiving. I got 2 containers of strawberries. They are a little bit expensive right now, but Aldi is the best place to get those in terms of price. I got one of these chopped salads. This is the Thai cashew one. I thought this would be good for a lunch this weekend. I got some shredded iceberg lettuce. I think we are gonna have just like sub sandwiches for dinner tonight, so I thought that would be good for those. I got some limes. I was running low on those, and some pomegranate arrows. I may use these for like my charcuterie board for Thanksgiving. I'm not quite sure yet, or we may just eat them. Not sure. I got some mini cucumbers. We were all out of those, and these are always good for snacking and salads. I got some tomatoes on the vine. I'll go ahead and slice these up for subs tonight. Actually, I got that idea from Fallon on Moss Family TV. I was just watching her video today, and they did like a make your own sub sandwich bar, so I thought that would be good to do for dinner tonight. I got some of these fruit and cheese with crackers pack. I like getting these at Aldi because they're only $1.99, and they come with grapes, apple, cheese, and Ritz crackers. They're just super easy, kind of a good healthy snack to grab out of the fridge. So I got 3 of those. I also got some of the sharp cheddar cracker cuts. They were out of the sharp cheddar cheese sticks, which is what I normally get, so I thought that we would get these instead. Kind of the same thing, just in a different shape. I got some pepper jack cheese for the sub sandwiches, and then I also thought that I would cook up some bacon for those as well, so I just got the pre-cooked bacon. It's super easy to microwave. They also had the Panera Soups there on sale, so I got some of the baked potato soup. It's one of my favorites. I also grabbed a couple of these turkey and cheese lunch kits. They're basically just like kind of knockoff Lunchables. They come with turkey cheese crackers and then these little chocolate Teddy Grahams. I got some bananas, some raspberries, and then I thought these grapes would be really good too, not just for eating, but for a cheese board as well. So I'll wash those up. I got some oranges. These looked really good and they were on sale. And then I also got some of the sweet cherry tomatoes. It's kind of a different variety of red and yellow and orange. I got some Colby Jack cheese just to have on hand for snacking and recipes. And then I saw that they had these Aldi brand tilts, which is basically just like Chobani flip. So I thought the kids could try these. There's one chocolate cherry and one vanilla blueberry. I did get some of the turkey snack sticks. We were all out of these and I love getting those from Aldi. I got some bacon bits. I just like to have these on hand if we have baked potatoes, or sometimes I'll throw them in green beans or in a recipe. And then I showed you guys these in the store. They are the Simms Zero Sugar Original Smoked Sausage. These, I think, like I said, are the knockoff of the Tillamook, so hopefully they're good, but I'll give those to Adam. I got a couple packages of lunch meat, the oven roasted turkey breast and the Castlewood uncured ham. So we'll have those for sandwiches this evening. And then I also got some mascarpone cheese. So I don't have a plan for this, but it doesn't expire until January, I think. And this is really hard for me to find. And if I do find it, it's like $5 a tub. This was on sale at Aldi for like $2.69, I want to say. So I went ahead and grabbed this because I figured I could put it in the refrigerator and then use it when I needed it. I got some Camembert cheese. I'm not quite sure what recipe I'm going to use this with, but I saw one I think that I might make where like you put crescent rolls in a muffin tin and then then you add Camembert cheese and cranberry jelly, and it looked really good. So I thought maybe I'd try that. I got some ricotta cheese to have on hand for when I make lasagna. And then I also got some orange juice just to have on hand for either mimosas or drinking for breakfast. We needed more milk. I normally buy 2% milk, but since it's getting to be the holidays and I'll be probably using a bit of this for cooking, I decided to get regular whole milk. And then they had this heavy whipping cream on sale. I don't need this necessarily right now for anything, but it doesn't expire until March, which is crazy. So I'll have that on hand for different recipes. And then I also got some free-range egg, just a dozen of those. I always like to make sure we have those on hand, especially during the holidays, as a backup. I thought this Green Mountain coffee looked really good. This is dark chocolate hazelnut. I'm not like necessarily always a huge fan of flavored coffees, but this sounded really good. So I thought I would give that a try. Kira asked for some Capri Sun. So I just got the Pokemon Pacific cooler that they had at Aldi. Connor really likes this bread made into toast. It's Hawaiian loaf, and this is just a half loaf. So I went ahead and picked that up for breakfast. This is what we're gonna do the sub sandwiches on, are these Toronto French rolls. I've gotten these at Aldi before. They're pretty good. I got some Cheez-It crackers, have on hand for snacking, and then also some pretzels. I will probably end up putting some of these pretzels on the charcuterie board for Thanksgiving, but those are always a good snack as well. I got some onion powder. We were running low on that. And then I did do kind of a reorganization of my pantry and just started taking stock of what I had on hand. And I was running low on dark red kidney beans. In fact, I don't think I had any, so I picked up 2 cans of those. I got some Olive Garden dressing. I actually went to use the container that we had in the fridge the other night and it was expired. So I needed another one of those. And then to accompany that, I also got some of the Olive Garden croutons. The kids were asking me for Sprite Cranberry. So I went ahead and got a 2-liter of that because it's the thirstiest time of the year. Anyway, yeah, it's the thirstiest time of the year, so we got Sprite Cranberry. I got some regular whole wheat bread, and then Hallelujah had the cheese advent calendars. Like I said, there were only 2 left, so I got 1 for me and 1 for my sister. These are just super fun to have during the holiday season. You can see kind of on the back here, they list all of the different cheeses that are in there. They're normally pretty good, and it says you can even pair it with your favorite wine advent calendar, so got that. I have purchased a variety of this before, and it's really, really good. This is like a single serving of fish and chips. So this is beer battered haddock, and then it comes with fries. I got 2 of these for Adam and I, but they're really good if you've never tried them from Aldi before. You just cook them in the oven. They turn out super delicious, and I would highly recommend them. I also saw that they had the Rayo's spaghetti noodles there on sale, and I did not have any spaghetti on hand in the pantry, so got that. I got some things for like advent calendars and Christmas candy. I got some Reese's peanut butter trees, some Ferrero Rocher truffles, some chocolate coins. I thought these were fun actually because they're white chocolate coins, so I thought those would be fun. Some Kinder Egg and a couple of Pez dispensers. And then they had these really neat Christmas paperware on sale, so I'll go ahead and stash this away for Christmas. But I got 2 packages of these Merry and Bright dessert plates, and then 1 package of Holly Jolly napkins. I got a couple bags of chicken. I just cooked this one for lunch today and part of this one. I've never tried these honey battered chicken breast tenders before. I've seen them there, but we've never bought them, but they're actually pretty good. So I cooked those up along with these buffalo chicken strips and some fries for lunch today. I just saved the bag to show you guys, but I'll obviously throw that away. And then these are also already in the freezer, but these are the Christmas tree ice cream pop. I thought these were fun. They had a couple different varieties. They had Christmas trees and snowmen, so got a couple of those. Actually only 60 calories each, so I thought those were pretty good. I did go ahead and get a couple of the Boulder gifting containers with the Christmas trees on the side. And then I really like Aldi's plasticware or plastic silverware. It's really, really sturdy and it's a great price. I was running low on plastic silverware, and with the holidays coming up, it's always good to have that on hand. So I got a package of that. And then last but not least, I got some Almond Bark. They don't always have this at Aldi, but sometimes this can sell out and be really hard to find around Christmas time. And I always use this for Christmas baking, either for like white chocolate pretzels, or I don't know, there's a variety of things that I make with it, Oreo balls, things like that. So I wanted to make sure that I had this on hand, and since I saw it there, I went ahead and grabbed it. So that's everything that I got from Aldi today. I'm gonna go ahead and put this away. Thank you guys so much for watching this grocery haul. Don't forget to check out Solid Gold Pet. I'll have all the information in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.